Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting a TikTok live with text-to-speech. Grab your phone and open the latest app version. First, make sure microphone and camera permissions are enabled so audio features work. Tap the plus, swipe to live, then type a clear title and pick your mode, guests or solo, so the interface shows speech options. Once done, glance at the streaming settings for closed captions and speech toggles. These must be on for TTS to appear. Now go live and proceed to the next step. During your live, tap the speech or captions icon in the overlay to open text-to-speech controls. You'll type or paste the lines you want spoken. Short sentences work best to keep rhythm natural, so break long thoughts into multiple entries. Then choose the voice, adjust speed, and confirm language so pronunciation matches. Once configured, preview a line privately if available and cue the text. Make sure you understand timing, because cued lines play in order and affect viewer interaction. As you run the stream, monitor chat and manage cued speech. Edit or cancel entries to keep pace with conversation. If the voice mispronounces names or symbols, retry with phonetic spellings or add punctuation to guide intonation. That often fixes odd pronunciations. If text-to-speech stops working, toggle microphone and caption permissions, or briefly end and restart the live. This resolves many glitches. Remember, once you stabilize settings, pace your inputs and engage viewers so the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.